Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking in advance for this thumbs up. Okay, today is the day that we are going to go through the Allure Beauty Box for the month of March. This is a box that is one that I was really happy to be able to get a really great deal on, which I always share with you guys. So I'm paying around $16 or $18 for this box. That's a $23 box, free ship in the USA, but I had to prepay for an entire year. So that is what I did, and what I like about it is you also have access to all these limited edition boxes as well, which are really great values too. So this way I have the best of both worlds by getting my box through allure.com. When I initially started with Allure, I went through Amazon through the subscription, but you don't have access to all these other deals that come through when you do it through allure.com. So that's why I switched from getting it from Amazon and went directly to the Allure website. So I always love to share that with you guys. Also, always go on the Allure website because they are constantly running promotions, and each time they'll give you a word right at the top that will get you boxes really inexpensively. I think right now they have some deal going on that you can get $13 for your first box. So always check the website. You can go through my link. It doesn't cost anything to go through the link. I don't gain anything if you go through the link. If you end up subscribing, I think I get some product, you know, in the future in the mail or something like that. But I really want you to make sure that you go through the link so you're able to then get to the right spot of where theallure.com is for, you know, to be able to access those deals. Those deals are not available also on amazon.com. Just want to make sure that you know about that. Inside, there's always a booklet, and it has a lot of great information in here, so we will definitely be using this and going through it. And we'll start with the first item that we went on here. I also give you all sneak peeks of what's going to be going on in the boxes, and this month it was so different. There's so many different variations. So if you've seen an Allure unboxing, you should check a couple of girls because it looks like there's going to be a lot of variations. So, and if you're not sure like what it's all about, always check my Allure spoiler videos at the beginning of the month, and you will be able to see what those choices are. And whatever month you're in, if you want the Allure box, what is in those spoilers is what is available to everybody, even if you just sign up. So don't sign up in the month that we're in. If none of this or the spoilers interest you, wait to the next month and sign up when you see those. Because whatever month you're in, that's the box that you're going to get. Just want to make sure that you're aware of that. The first item in here is from Blinc. And this is a brand that I already received in, I think it was BoxyCharm. And then BoxyCharm also had one of those fantastic deals where you were able to get 2 of these. This is a tubular mascara. I didn't pull mine out from my stash, and I should have, but this one I'm going to put aside for now because that will go into my gifts for later. It says, with one coat, this is a tubing mascara that gives you the dramatic long lashes. It says, you will love it because what's the point of wearing mascara if it winds up on your lids or smudges? This is the question that everyone asks, and one that you don't need to worry about with Blinc's Best of Beauty award-winning mascara. It is a jet black formula that is made with tubing technology. And if you haven't tried a tube mascara, you are in for a treat. It has tiny polymers that wrap around each lash, more like a temporary extension than a mascara, for a flake-free, smudge-free finish with tons of volume. It says it is easy as if you were wearing this volumizing formula all day. It's even easier to remove it before bed. Warm water and a gentle rub are all it takes to whisk away these tiny tubes. This is a $26 value. There's also discount codes in here. So what I do is in the description box, I put the title of what the product is, the price that they have written in the booklet, as well as all the discount codes as well. So this way, if I like something, I know to go back to my video description box to cross-reference there. What I will tell you with tubing mascara and what I have found, I got introduced to tubing mascara many, many years ago from an Australian brand. Thrive is the one that's really well known here in the US in reference to this tubing, but a lot of people have come on board with this tubing mascara. I have a love-hate with tubing mascaras, and I'm going to tell you why. One is you got to be knowledgeable that when you're putting it on, it will give you the it will give you a little bit more volume, but it really won't give you that length. So it really, to me, I like mascaras that can give you volume and give you length, or I use a second mascara to give me what I feel I'm not getting with the first. When it's a tubing mascara, I feel I can't do that. So you have to be satisfied with how this mascara on its own is going to behave, you know, for you and the look that you're going for. The other thing is to keep in mind that when you are removing this, it is something that wraps around your eyelashes. So when you're taking it off, it does come off like in tubes. So you're going to see like these big black marks that don't go on your face or anything like that, but they are like a little tube. So that's how it comes off as well. So it's easy to remove, but like I said, it's a completely different concept. So if you haven't tried tubing, this is a really nice way to have the opportunity to try it with a brand like this in the box. Blinc is a really, really good brand. All right, the next item here, and it also was one of the Allure winners. So a lot of stuff in this box so that's really exciting as well. The other item here, it was one that I really wanted in my box simply because a couple of the girls that follow me here mentioned that they've received this in some very high-end boxes, and it was one that they really enjoyed as well. It is the Alpha H Liquid Gold with Glycolic Acid. It says this liquid, which has about the consistency of a toner, is spiked with 5% glycolic acid to dissolve dead skin cells, and it has licorice root extract to brighten. It makes your skin feel smooth and look radiant, and even faded one of the editor's stubborn post-acne dark spots after a week of use. It's no wonder this toner, which has come from Australia, is a global bestseller. Last year, 2 bottles reportedly sold every minute, every day, all over the world. I never heard of this brand, and there's so many brands that I haven't, but that, and with all the magazines that I read, and a lot of great technology comes out of Australia. So I'm really excited about that. And it simply says how to use this. It's this tube here, and it says this: dispense a few drops of this leave-on treatment onto a cotton pad and then smooth it all over your skin. One editor likes layering it under her hydrating serums and creams. It's meant to be used every other day at night on clean skin, so you don't have to worry about layering anything over it. Yet she said one of her editors does. So this is like, you have to decide how you want to use this. So this is a $54 value on its own, and this is definitely a full-size product. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, this is a $23 a month box, and they promise you at least 3 full sizes in here. The next item that is in here is this item here. And this is from this brand called Shani Darden. It is a retinol reform. And I find also with these Allure boxes, they always are introducing me to brands that would either I've read in magazines or I've never heard of at all. And then I have the opportunity to use it, and then I'm really, really impressed with them. Considering there's so much out there, and this is an Allure Best of Beauty, this one is exciting. This says it is a retinol reform. It says no matter what question arises about our editor's skin, how do you get it so clear? How do you deal with your lines? What about hyperpigmentation? The answer usually is a resounding retinol. The Skin Care Wonder is the star of this jellied serum. It is the Best of Beauty Award winning, created by a celebrity facialist, Shani Darden. It's the rare retinol formula that is effectively yet gentle, boosting its key ingredients with line smoothing alpha hydroxy acids while cushioning it in a soothing, hydrating ones such as aloe vera. That will also help. And it also has rosemary as well as leaf extract. It says smooth 1 or 2 pumps over clean, dry skin before bed. We like wearing it on its own or under a basic moisturizer. Use it once or twice a week to start and then work your way up. Do not use it if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. And the full size of this would be an $88 value. So this is a sample size of this For retinol, I always use it on its own. I always use it also like on an evening like that I don't have anything planned for the next day, because with retinol, depending on the strength that they have in here, it could cause a little bit of havoc to your skin, but the results are worth it. But if they're putting aloe in here as well as glycerin, that should also help with any of that ingredient of retinol to be too strong or too harsh on the skin. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. And it also is an Allure award winner, so which means others have tried it and really enjoyed it as well. As I share with you on my channel all the time, I do a lot of spoilers and I do a lot of unboxings. And a lot of times there'll be something in the box that I think I already own, and I go to my stash and it's not there. So either one, I've given it away, or two, it is something that I saw in a spoiler and I thought I already owned it. And I'll only know when I go to my notes at the end of the day, when I start putting in the products that I got, I'll know if I got it. But for some reason, this is ringing a bell that I have this product, but I cannot find it. I tried to find it before I sat down here. It is from EYEKO. It is a double act shadow stick in Dusk and Dawn. It says, how do you make a smoky eye look naturally messed up as opposed to, well, a train wreck? This is a multitasking pencil that is excellent to start. On one end, you will find Dusk, a deep chocolatey brown, and on the other, you will have a warm bronzy brown called Dawn. Each looks great worn alone or as a liner, but these creamy, easily blendable shades will easily shine with a paired together. This item here is obviously full size and it is a $25 value. I'm not going to swatch this simply because I really want to double check in a couple more areas where this would be. And then I'll also check in my giveaway notes if this was a product that I ended up giving away. But it also came with this, and I don't remember having this. This is the pencil sharpener. And it says, line your eyes with Dawn and then use the fluffy eye shadow brush to smudge it up and out. Without applying too much pressure to the color, it stays intense. This Dusk is in the outer corners, using your brush to blend into your lower lash line about 3/4 of the way for that smoky look. So they're not talking about the actual pencil sharpener at all, but those are the two shades that are in here. So we have more of that beigey and then the brown shade. The next item here is going to be also a sample size, and this usually comes in a jar for the full size, and this is also the Allure winning product. This is the Briogeo Scalp Reviving Charcoal Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. It's calling this a shampoo doesn't do it justice. It says it has sulfate-free, Best of Beauty award-winning formula, cleanses and smells heavenly like mint. But it's also a very pampering scalp treatment. It hydrates with coconut oil, gently exfoliating to remove product buildup and dead skin along with flakes. This calming scent comes from peppermint and spearmint, as well as essential oils, which are a soothing treatment that are often overlooked for our scalps. They tell you to use it once a week, massage it into your scalp for about a minute, and then rinse and follow with your usual conditioner or moisturizing hair mask. And this is the sample size. Again, there's some discounts here, but the full size of this would be $42. These type of products I like to use just before I'm going to color treat my hair, so that whatever I can do to help get my scalp the cleanest it can possibly be, it sounds like this type of product would be really good for that. And then the next item is another little sample, and this is a really expensive brand. This is Augustinus Batter. It is called the Rich Cream. It says it is the Heathers of the beauty world. It is an instant cult hit. This is a star cream. It has major multitasking containing amino acids, vitamins, squalene, and hyaluronic acid to get ready for another long list. Smooth brightening, hydrates, as well as soothes. It says the formula is dense, so a little goes a long way. One pump in the morning and another each evening are enough to take and make your skin gleam. One editor uses it religiously at night to calm her dry, irritated skin without any white cast. Other heavy creams tend to leave on her olive complexion. The full size of this is a really expensive. It's $280. There are no discounts on this at all, and that would be for a 50 ml. So we got this little guy in here, and you know, I will definitely keep this in a special area so that anyone that I have that has dry skin, or I end up with a dry patch, I will definitely be trying this product out. Then they share with us in the booklet some other collections that are going on right now that I think are phenomenal deals. The newest one that I saw that really caught my eye, they have a lip lovers set for $20. They're saying it is a $94 value. That is this guy down here. And an email came down with another one that, oh yeah, here it is. It is the Hydrating Essentials box. That is what this looks like here. All of that is $40 for people who get the box. But if you don't get the box, you can still purchase this, but it will be $80. And that is what this one has here. And I know that one of the top products that are in here that really caught my eye are the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is full size. The Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Oil is also full size. They have the Bioscience Copper Peptide Plumping Serum. They have a Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly in Fire, full size, and I really enjoy Tower 28 as well. And then they also have Mario Debesco. They have the facial spray from him, which for me, that was one of my first facial sprays that I ever got. And then Josie Moran, they have her Soothing Hand Treatment, which is also full size. And then they have from Sicily Paris, which is such a high-end brand, the Rejuvenating Hair Care Mask. So that is what this looks like here. Really, like I said, their kits are absolutely, absolutely fantastic. And then on the back here, they have a product that is a sponsored product, so it's not part of the count, but they put in a lot of times these samples from these brands. And this is to reinforce sensible skin's moisture barrier with Cetaphil. This is a cleanser. And a lot of dermatologists, when I was younger, recommended this brand. This is available at the drugstore and it's very, very reasonably priced. I guess you can get either the Gentle Skin Cleanser or they have a daily facial cleanser, and those are the two products there. And that's everything that we got in our March box. They added a couple of things in here that took me for a little bit, and it says, our commitment to you, which I never saw them do before. And it says, our mission to always deliver high quality products to our members that they will love. If you are ever not completely satisfied with any item that you receive from us, please contact our customer care team at beautybox@allure.com, or they have an 800 number, which I will leave down below as well. And it says, we will do our very best to make it right. We value our loyalty, and they thank you for being part of the Allure Beauty Box community. There was a bit of a mix-up last month because there were a lot of spoilers that they put out from their website, and that's when I share the spoilers, when I usually see them from their website. And then a lot of us, including myself, didn't get those spoilers. So from what I read on Instagram and things like that, people were complaining that what they thought they were going to get, they didn't get. That's why this month, when we did the spoilers, they showed a picture that disappeared and another product showed up so that you would know that there were variations. So I think they were starting the variations last month, but they didn't have it set up properly on their website yet. So if you are unsatisfied with anything, definitely give them a call. A few of the girls have written to me that they were unsatisfied, and they wrote to customer service, and they were able to get some of the products that they felt they missed out on. So this is really nice that they added this little card in here as well. And that's, like I said, everything for today. So please share with me in the comments down below if you get the Allure Beauty Box, if you received the same variation as I did, and if you've had the opportunity to start playing with any of these products yet. A lot of these are new to me. So please share in the comments down below how you've been enjoying them or not enjoying them. That's what the comments are there. They're your voice. I listen to it, I respond to it, as well as others do who are part of True Wants. We all share with each other. And that's it for today, guys. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.